Welcome to our CyberHack Daily channel, a new channel to help you learn and practice cybersecurity every day. Your guide to staying safe in the digital world. In today's world, everything we do, work, study, shopping, even talking to friends happens online. This convenience will bring new dangers. Hackers, scams, and artificial intelligence are changing the game in 2025. That's why cybersecurity isn't just for IT experts, it matters for everyone. And today we will explore why. In 2025, cybersecurity affects everyone, from your smartphone to online banking or shopping, office work, social media, playing games, log in to email accounts, send or receive emails, and even smart devices at home. Every click can be a potential risk if you're not careful. Now, imagine if someone hacked your phone, stole your banking password, or even impersonate you online. Already experienced some form of cybercrime. Cybersecurity is no longer optional, it's part of daily life. Hackers are now using advanced techniques to steal your data. Phishing scams, ransomware, and AI-generated attacks are becoming more common, targeting everyone, from students to professionals. Artificial intelligence is changing the game. Hackers now use AI to create deepfakes, fake emails, and smarter attacks. But defenders also use AI to scan for threats, stop intrusions, and protect networks in real time. AI is a double-edged sword. While hackers use it to trick and attack, the same technology also protects us. AI-powered systems constantly monitor networks, scan for unusual activity, and even update defense automatically. It's like having a digital guard that never sleeps, always ready to respond before threat can spread. Cybersecurity isn't just for experts, it's for everyone. Kids playing games, office staff working in a corporate office or home, older adults receiving scam phone call alert. Simple steps like creating strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and avoiding suspicious links can protect your family, your work, and yourself from digital threats. So, what can you do to stay safe? Use a strong, unique password for each account. Turn on two-factor authentication whenever possible. Keep your software and apps updated. Be careful about what you share online, specifically on social media. These simple habits can make you 100 times safer from cyber threat. Cybersecurity in 2025 is not just about technology, it's about people. It's about protecting your identity, your money, and your future. Cybersecurity matters more than ever. Protect your digital life, stay alert, and always stay one step ahead of hackers. Subscribe to CyberHack Daily for daily tips and updates. We will make more videos for you to stay safe. Be with us. Please like and share this channel with your friends, colleagues, everyone you know.